Look at this app. I can humanize any AI-generated text using this web application. I created it in under 5 minutes using nothing but plain English. Welcome to the era of vibe coding. In this video lesson, I will show you how to use the Build feature inside Google AI Studio to turn your ideas into working software utilities. Let's get started. Open your Google AI Studio with your Gmail. On the left side menu, under Build, click New App. Here you can see a chat bar. Type what kind of app you want. Be as descriptive as possible. Mention what features you want in your app, what your app will do, and so on. As you can see, I did the same. You can find this prompt in the description of this video. Hit Run when you're done. It will take some time. Pause. Then it will show you a few UI designs to choose from. I'll pick this professional one. Here we have our Humanizer app. Let's test how it works and paste some AI-generated text into it. See, it is also showing what needs to be changed. Choose the style and content type like personal writing or social media posts. Hit Humanize. It's working. We've got it. A LinkedIn post that sounds human. If I want to fix any errors or change anything, I can do it here too. Click this button in the top right corner. Now, when you hover over the app, you can select any part you want to change or correct. Let's change the color of this button to red. Select it. Now, tell Google AI Studio in the chat bar to change its color to red. It will take some time and update the color. Here it is. See how easy that was. So that's how you can build an app using Google AI Studio's Build feature without even knowing coding, just using simple English. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Take care, and bye.